Welcome to the Mushroom Cultivation Training Center of Prabhat Kumar College, Contai. We will demonstrate the cultivation technology of oyster mushroom.
Basic requirement is we will need a tray to keep the different samples, and we will need the polypropylene bag for preparation of the bed. We will need a sprayer for spraying the water throughout the bed, and most importantly we will need the spawn for the bed material. And the most important is the bed material, that is made up of straw. So we can see the straw are somehow contain the water. This water is moisturizing the straw material 65%. So how we will do that? On the previous night, the straw are cut into pieces and poured inside the boiled water and kept for whole night. After the 12 hour is over, we will take the straw material from the water, and then by the hand, if we squeeze the straw, if the no water is coming out from the hand pump, so we can understand that the pump do not contain the water outside coming out from the pump, but the pump is wet by the water. So this is the 65% measurement of the straw material. Now we will start the preparation of the bed. So the bed material is near about 1 kg of straw material, and the spawn is the 1/3 of the bed material. Now initially we will separate the whole bed material into 4, because we want to make the 4 layer of the bed material. Now it will help to maintain the bed material in equal amount of straw material. Now we can see our instructor is separating the spawn, and the spawn material will be separated with the hand, so that the spawn will not be intermingled with each other. Now the spawn material will also be separated in 3 parts, so that when we'll put inside the bed material can be added with the spawn. Now the polypropylene bag will be kept on the table, and the first bed material, that is the spawn, that is the straw material, that is given on the polypropylene bag at the bottom. Now after the bottom layer, the first spawn layer is given on the periphery of the bed material, and you can see the white spawn is given on the periphery of the bed. Now after putting the spawn material, the next bed layer is preparing by the straw layer, and the straw layer is also given on the first layer of the bottom layer, and again the spawn are placing on the periphery of the bed, so that when the hyphae will emerge from the spawn material, they can spread throughout the bed. So we can see the 2 layer is already prepared. After the layer, again another layer will be prepared by the straw material, that is already prepared and soaking with the water, and this is the next layer that is prepared with the help of the straw material. Now again the spawn is taken by hand, and after every layer we should keep the straw in pressed condition so that it will spread throughout the bed material and no extra space is there. Now again the spawn material is given throughout the bed material, and upon that we will put some of the spawn on the last bed material, and after that the polypropylene bag will be closed with the girder or rubber band. So we can see that the whole bed is prepared, and from the outside also we can see the layer of the spawn in the bed. After preparing the bed material, the bed should be pinched with a needle, or here we can use a pen in the bed material, so that when hyphae will be grown, so they will get the oxygen, and if in the bottom of the bed also be pinched, so that when the initial budding will be happen from the mushroom, that is the pinning stage, the pinning of the mushroom will happen from this pores. After preparation of the whole bed, the bed is kept in a dark room and high CO2 concentration room for 21 days for incubation. On the incubation period, after 1 day or 2 days, according to the moisture availability of the area, we will spread water throughout the bed material from the outside of the bed, so that the inside moisture will not be evaporate or will retain.
After incubation period, the bed is kept for 5 to 7 days for pinning, and after pinning, in 3 to 4 days, the mushroom became matured and can be harvested.